everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to sign up for iCloud. iCloud is a cloud storage service which lets you backup and synchronize your email, calendar, contacts, photos, and other items as well. To sign up for iCloud, go open any web browser you want. To create an iCloud account, you'll need to create an Apple ID first. Type in appleid.apple.com and press the enter. In order to create a new Apple ID, click on Create your Apple ID at the upper right. Enter your first name and enter your last name. Now, select your country or your region from the drop-down. Enter your birthday information on the next. Now, type in a new Apple ID you want to create. After you enter an email, move on to the next field and type in the password for your account. Make sure your password meets these criteria as mentioned. Once you type in a strong and a valid password, you'll see the criteria highlighted in green, and on the next field, type in the password by repeating it again. Make sure that both of the passwords match. If you want to double check your password before moving on, click on the eye icon and reveal your password in order to do so. Now, select your country code from the drop-down. Once you do that, type in your phone number. Make sure to enter a phone number that you always have access to. This will later be used to verify your identity whenever you sign into a new device or a new web browser with your Apple ID. Now, choose whether you would like to verify the number with a text message or a phone call. Let me choose the text message option. And if you don't want announcements, recommendations and updates about Apple products and Apple Music, movies and more, then uncheck this box. If you do, then leave it as it is. Now type in the characters that you see in the box. You can choose to display a new code by clicking on new code in case you don't understand the characters displayed, and simply type it in. Now click on the continue button. Finally, now you'll need to verify your email address in order to create your new Apple ID. You'll be sent a verification code to your email. Simply enter the code that you received correctly. Once you do that, click on continue. The next step you'll need to complete is to verify your phone number. A code has been sent to the phone number you entered. Go check your code. Once you receive it, type in the code that you received from your mobile number and click on continue. And just like that, you've created your Apple ID. Now simply go open a new tab and tap iCloud.com. Type in your login information for the new account you just signed up to. Type in your Apple ID and click on the next button. Enter the password for your account. Once you do that, you'll be signed up to iCloud account. All you need to do is to enter a verification code from Apple that has been sent to your mobile device. Type in the code just like that, and you'll be automatically verified. If you want to trust the particular browser, then click on Trust, and there you go, you have been signed up for iCloud. All you need to do is create a new Apple ID. That is how you can sign up for iCloud. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.